Draw a zebra. Try to fill the whole page. Woohoo! Try to make your line smooth and even. Great! Let's color in. Add some details to make it interesting. Good! Think about the story your picture tells. All done! Bye-bye!